Here's how we can make the Facebook app go full screen on the iPad. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So essentially, when I open up the Facebook, in my case, it's gonna show up in like the full screen, right? It already works like that, and there are more reasons why it doesn't work that way for you. For example, you don't have the latest app installed because it's possible that in the past the Facebook did not really support like the full screen app, and we were only stuck with the iPhone app on the iPad. So just go to the App Store, look up the Facebook, and if there is an update available, definitely click on the update so you can get the latest features of the app. Outside of that, you could also update your iPad so you can actually support the latest Facebook app by going to the settings, general, and a software update. But then the next possibility is that your multitasking settings do not allow it or make the apps be smaller and not in the full screen. Because if you have the multitasking enabled, you can grab the icons and make it much smaller. And in that case, to make it go back to the full screen, you can essentially tap on the controls in the top left corner, the colored circles, and tap on the green one to expand it and go back to the full screen mode. And then to never make it happen again, you can see the settings and find multitasking and gestures and choose from the windowed apps and switch the full screen apps only, meaning that every single app is going to be in full screen and it's not going to be in the like split modes or anything like that in the future. So that's definitely something which I believe you're going to find helpful. So I hope I was able to help you out with that. In case of any further questions, leave them below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about that, but I'll see you later in the future tutorials too.